This is the Milwaukee M4D cordless drill driver. It is good for working on plastic parts as well as sensitive parts that require low torquing values. The toolset comes with 2 batteries, a Hex Head bit, as well as a charger. The batteries can be attached to the M4D by inserting the battery into the groove and rotating it to lock. This drill driver comes with a Hex Head attachment. The Hex Head attachment allows you to interchange various bits, be it for torques or hex, depending on your application. The tool also comes with a variable clutch speed. This clutch speed adjusts the torque that is exerted by the tool from 1 Nm up to 5 Nm. There is also a screw mode. This screw mode operates at the maximum torque. There are 2 modes that you can operate the drill at, Mode 1 and Mode 2. This can be adjusted by pushing the lever. To use the tool, ensure that you have unlocked the safety mechanism. Then press on the simple buttons forward and reverse to operate the tool depending on your application. If you prefer to operate the tool in a right angle, simply pull the tool down and continue operation. Shop at President Trading for the best tools and service.